Good evening, India. Here is some breaking news from India. Nitish Kumar on Monday took oath as the Bihar Chief Minister for a fourth straight term at ceremony attended by the top Bharatiya Janata Party leaders including Union Ministers Amit Shah and Party President JP Nadda. The BJP, which has claimed 31 more seats than the 43 pocketed by Kumar's JDU, announced two deputy chief ministers for the state of Bihar on the lines of Uttar Pradesh. The names of four-time MLAs Tarikeshwar Prasad and Renu Devi, who were chosen the leader and the deputy leader of BJP legislature party on Sunday, were elected for the post today. Along with them, JDU leaders Vijay Kumar Chaudhary, Bijendra Prasad Yadav, Ashok Chaudhary and Mewalal Chaudhary also took oath as cabinet ministers of Bihar. Santosh Kumar Suman, son of Hindustani Awam Morcha, that is called HAM, Chief Jitan Ram Manjhi and Mukesh Sahani of Bikasil Insan Party, that is called BIP, and BJP leaders Mangal Pandey and Amarendra Pratap Singh took oath as a cabinet ministers. Governor Phagu Chauhan administered Kumar's the oath of office and secrecy to 4:30 p.m. today, a day after his strict claim for the formation of a new government in the state, armed with unanimous support of all legislators of the NDA despite his party's plummeted tally. Kumar was first sworn in as CM in 2000 for a term that lasted barely a week as he failed to muster a majority and returned as a minister at the central in the Atal Bihari Vajpayee government. 5 years later, he returned with the JDU, that is called United BJP Alliance, winning a majority and upon completion of his tenure returned in 2010 when the coalition won a landslide victory in the assembly polls. He stepped down in May 2014, owing moral responsibility for the JDU United debacle in Lok Sabha polls, only to return in February 2015 when a rebellious Majhi was elbowed out. In November 2015, the assembly polls were fought and won by the Grand Alliance, which then comprised JDU United, Lalu Prasad, RJD, and Congress with Kumar back as the chief minister. He, however, abruptly exited the alliance in July 2017, setting irreconcilable differences with the RJD and resigned as chief minister only to return in less than 24 hours armed with support of the BJP. After his electoral victories in 2010 and 2015, Kumar had taken oath at star-studded ceremonies held at the sprawling Gandhi Maidan in the presence of a large number of dignitaries and the common people. This time, however, it was a much more subdued affair on account of the COVID-19 pandemic. Meanwhile, before the oath, the opposition Grand Alliance decided to boycott the oath-taking ceremony of Nitish Kumar, claiming the mandate in the election was against the NDA, which has been changed by a fraud. RJD, which is spreading the five-party Mahagathbandhan and its allies Congress, CPIML, CPI, CPM have decided to remain away from the sworn-in function of Kumar. BN Das report, Fosak TV.